Hi, I'm Matt Garver, and this is my July 15th update on my garden. There are 20 different peppers growing in this tiny space. On the left, you can see that most of the PDN crosses are still showing very dark leaves, which is a very good trait. And you'll notice that there are a couple taller plants in the back. These two plants are noted for being large and sometimes can reach up to 7 feet in height. Each of the plants is starting to put on pods now. These are pods that are from a cross between a PDN and a Douglas pepper. Very beautiful pods. The plant beside it is a PDN times a Reaper, and I have tried this one already, even though it's slightly immature, and it packs a lot of the Reaper heat inside of a sweet shell. This purple Reaper is starting to put on some pods, even though the yellow Reaper beside it has not quite yet. One of the first varieties to set pods was this purple UFO, and you could tell from the color that it's just a beautiful plant to have. It's ornamental as well as edible, and the pods are just normal hot, so they're very nice to eat and sometimes are described as having a light apple flavor to them. And this diminutive plant is very nice for a smaller space. It puts on some very pretty pods as well, and this is actually a cross between a hot rod serrano and a Maui purple.